Best TV mounts. Number 3. VonHaus Ultra Slim Cantilever Articulating. Max VESA 400 by 400 mm. Fits 26 to 55 inch TVs with VESA compatibility of 75 by 75 mm to 400 by 400 mm. Strong 88 pounds load capacity. Tilt -15. Swivel 180. 3 left and right screen adjustment. Quick and easy to install. Bracket comes complete with full instructions and required fitting hardware. Pros: ultra slim material and low profile. Supports a load of 88 pounds with minimal bulk. Cons: TVs near the weight capacity may cause the entire unit to tilt down. Bottom line: we love its sleek design and fast installation process. However, it's not the best option for the heaviest of TVs. Number 2. VideoSecu TV Wall Mount. This is a low-profile full-motion wall mount. It extends up to 20 inches off the wall, gives you maximum flexibility in positioning your TV to fit your environment for comfortable view. This heavy-duty steel mount supports most TVs weighing up to 88 pounds. It fits most 26-55 flat panel TV and new LED TVs up to 60. The mount can swivels in either direction, tilts up 5 degrees, tilts down 15 degrees, and has ±5 degree screen level adjustment capability. Pros: attractive price for a quality mount. Easily swivels, rotates, and tilts for comfortable TV viewing. Cons: weight capacity is only 88 pounds. Bottom line: it's hard to find a better overall mount in this price range. Number 1. VideoSecu Articulating Full Motion. Tilt adjustable +5/12 degrees and side-to-side swivel 160 degree. The max degree is depending on your TV display size, for perfect view positioning and reduced glare. Post-installation level adjustment allows 3-degree rotation for perfect level in different view angles. This mount arm retracts less than 3 inches from wall to save space, and extend 14 inches. Constructed with high-gauge steel, it handles screens up to 125 pounds. Free HDMI cable, standard mounting screws included. Pros: durable, heavy-gauge steel construction effortlessly holds TVs up to 165 pounds. Can tilt, swivel, and rotate in any direction. Cons: a little tight at first, but it loosens up after a few turns and twists. Bottom line: if you have a larger, heavier TV, it's worth it to spend a bit more on this durable mount. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.